Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic Coin. Now, can Terra Classic Coin hit $1? Remember, so many people believe that hitting $1 is going to be possible because Terra Classic only have about 6 trillion. If you compare that to other top coins like Shiba Inu, these coins have trillions of coins out there, but 6 trillion for me, I think is still much yet. But burning this coin is one of the most important projects Terra Classic developers, founders need to focus on this year 2023. Yeah, if we can burn at least 4 trillion or 5 trillion, even Terra Classic said to burn half of Terra Classic supply, it will be a better thing for Terra Classic, because I believe that burning such number of coin will help this coin before the end of the year to balance, and by the next coming years, before the end of 2025, or let's assume before 2027, we might be seeing Terra Classic reaching $1. But I think even if it takes Terra Classic till 2030, we are talking about the next 7 years to come for this coin to hit $1. I think it's still amazing. Imagine a coin that is trading at 0.0001 hitting $1. We definitely create a lot of millionaires. So many people will make a lot of money. Remember, hitting 1 cent right now is about 10,000% increase in price, deleting about 2 zeros. It simply means if you have $100 investment, you will be making about $10,000 for Terra Classic to hit 1 cent. Now imagine Terra Classic hitting $1. That is going to be a lot of money. A lot of people will be making millions with Terra Classic. But can Terra Classic hit $1? That is the question. But I believe that, of course, it is possible for Terra Classic to hit $1 or even hit above that. And it's also possible for Terra Classic to drop more this year. But it all depends, especially on Bitcoin, the king of cryptocurrency, because BTC is a driver, other coins are the passengers. Wherever Bitcoin is going, they all follow. So if you can see BTC Bitcoin hitting a massive increase in price this year 2023, we might be seeing Terra Classic and other coins also increasing. If BTC can drop more this year, then expect other coins including Terra Classic to also drop in price. So let's keep hoping, especially for Bitcoin, to recover quick. If BTC can end the year trading at over $40,000 or hitting back at its all-time price of $68,000, then believe it, Terra Classic will definitely hit a massive increase in price, and the years coming, I believe this coin can still hit $1. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.